It is Friday and it is a holiday weekend, so a lot of people waiting on what Lisette has to say. Hey, Lisette.
Oh, the pressure's on, right? Because many people have Monday off, it's a long weekend, and it's going to be hot. I mean, no surprises here. You know, they call Labor Day weekend the unofficial end of summer. However, it's going to feel like summer here for a while, folks, right? It's more the end of the cultural summer, right? Or a lot of people take their final summer vacations around this time. And as we take a view from our Biscayne Bay camera, it is hazy out there. We have Saharan dust, and I want to remind you, if you have any respiratory ailments like asthma or anything like that, you really want to try to limit your outdoor activity, just to be careful, obviously, especially as that Saharan dust is likely going to linger through tomorrow. And right now there's a nice view from our Key West camera. Would be nice to be hopping on that boat right about now. Hopefully they enjoy their afternoon, because you know what, right now we don't have any advisories for boaters, so that's great news. Satellite and radar quiet this morning. We had a couple of showers pop up, but since then it's been dry with just some clouds blowing on by, because we do have that east breeze with us. Currently 9-12 miles an hour, even up to 14 miles an hour down through the Keys. As we head into tomorrow and Sunday, it's going to turn breezy at times. We could see gusts up to 18 to even up to 20 miles an hour. Wow, look at these numbers. 93 in Weston, 91 in Miami, 90 degrees in Fort Lauderdale, 89 in Homestead, but the low 90s down through the Keys. And that's not all. Of course, when you factor in that humidity, it feels like the triple digits. So certainly still feeling summery out there and steamy. Feels like 106 in Fort Lauderdale. Feels like 103 in Miami. Feels like 104 in Marathon. And you know what? You don't want to mess around with this kind of heat and humidity. Definitely stay hydrated. Try to stay in the shade in the air conditioning when you can. And if not, take frequent breaks, because it really is a scorcher out there. Here are the remnants of Nana right now near Guatemala and also near Mexico, continuing to weaken. And then we have Tropical Depression Omar, which will be a remnant low, but a lot of action over in the eastern and near central Atlantic. And we have this broad area of low pressure that's basically just hanging out nearly stationary, with a medium chance of development over the next 5 days. A stronger disturbance that's near the Cabo Verde Islands with a high potential of development over the next 5 days. And then a wave that's expected to emerge off the west coast of Africa. And that has a medium potential of development over the next 5 days. So bottom line, we have to keep an eye on this region, just monitor it. And of course, we will be keeping you updated, because the peak of the season is just around the corner on September 10th. Today, hazy, hot and humid. It's going to be mainly dry, a few showers. If you're headed to the beach, don't forget that sunblock. UV index is extreme, a moderate risk of rip currents. For boaters, winds east 10 to 15 knot, seas 2 to 4, a moderate chop on the bays. And tonight, summer muggy, stray storm, 80 degrees. So we continue with the haze through your Saturday, some spotty storms. The rain chance is increasing as we head through the weekend. So especially on Sunday and Monday for Labor Day, keep in mind there could be some scattered to passing storms, and highs will be in the upper 80s.